Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. The buzzing topic present in the society is all about cyber security. So there are many awareness has been created regarding cyber security nowadays as the evolution in mobile and computer network has been increased nowadays. So there are many research has been carried out related with cyber security. In this video we are going to discuss about how to prepare research paper on cyber security. I have chosen a important topic related cyber security. So from that I am going to make a research paper using different AI templates. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will useful for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out ChatGPT for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video. So the topic we have chosen today is cyber security. So this is the common topic I have chosen related with cyber security: a multi-modal with separate head and payload processing for malicious encrypted traffic detection. So this is the topic I have chosen. So related with that particular topic I have chosen some references. Here you can see there are 10 references I have chosen. So in order to write a research paper we need the following. That is, we can name it as a title, or you can find the alternative for the title also. So next, abstract, keywords, and then you have to give introduction of the research paper, and then literature review. Next, the body of the paper that comprises of what are the different techniques has been carried out, that is multimodal with the separate head payload processing. So how it is carried out, so that is related with the proposed system. So after that, so if you taken any codes or programs are related with that, any algorithms, so you can add this with this in this section, algorithms. So after that, so you can make a conclusion or summary of the work you have done. So after that, here you comes, it is having references. So this is normally a body of your research paper will have. So in order to do so, we are going to use an AI tool. So here go to Google. So just to type on LMS research support. This LMS research support AI tool. So you will be having different AI templates which is especially designed for research paper writing. So here you can see in this LMS AI templates, you will be having different AI templates called summarizer, translator, grammar corrector, reference style converter, literature review, reference to content. So explain the table, paraphrasing, generate MATLAB code, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF text, chatbot, plagiarism reducer. So these are the different AI templates available in this AI tool. So first I am going to open this chatbot. So it is a normal chatbot as like ChatGPT. You can ask anything you want by giving an input prompt. So first I am going to generate an abstract for the particular title. So in order to do so, give an input prompt like this: generate an abstract for the research paper titled. So you can copy and paste the title here. In detail with keywords. So you can give with keywords. So on that, click on ask questions. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So here you can see, actually the keywords is not generated, we will generate again. So here you can get the abstract. This research paper presents a novel multimodal for detecting malicious encrypted traffic. The proposed method incorporates separate process mechanism for the header and payload of networks, that is network packets, allowing for more effective detection of malicious activities. So like that it is generated. So what you can do is just copy that abstract, so you can paste here. So after completing the abstract writing, so what you can do is, so you can ask for keywords. So refresh that again. So refresh the same that is same template. So here after refreshed, so you can give an input. So here copy, instead of abstract, generate file keywords. So like that you can give click on ask questions. So it will take several seconds to generate. Yes, here you can give keywords, 5 keywords. So if I ask it for 10 keywords, it will generate 10 keywords also. So here you can see this is the 5 keywords. So copy that. So what you can do is you can paste the keywords here. So 5 keywords will be added here. So after that, use the same chatbot. So instead of giving keywords, so you can give introduction. So again refresh the page. So whatever that is the content you want, common content you want, so you can do that. Okay, so that will be very helpful for you. So here you can see again after refresh them. So here you generate an introduction for the research paper titled elaborately. So like that I am going to give. So just click on ask questions again. So it will generate that is introduction for you. So if you need introduction, so you can mention number of words, or you can add some other topic related with them to add an that is to generate an introduction. So after completing all this, so all this I have showing a model only. So you can generate how much content you want, you can generate using this templates. So whatever you want, you can generate using the templates. So only thing is that the input prompt you are giving must be very precise and correct. So thereby you can get a perfect output. So after that is literature review. So we are having 5 different templates for literature review after this. So literature review, reference to content. So next detailed literature review, chat with paper. So and then you can see chat with PDF text. So these are the different options for literature review. There are 5 different literature review is having. So first, in order to make an instant literature review, so just to click on the 2 templates called literature review. So again reference to content. These 2 templates will give an instant literature review. So it will it will give that is instant literature review you want. Whenever you are in urge to prepare a literature review, so you can use these templates to prepare the literature review. So after the template, that is the dashboard of the templates is open. So what you have to do is go to your reference section. So copy the 5 references. So copy the first 5 references. So after what you do, go to that template. So and you can add the references. So here and also here you can add the references and give APA. Click on literature review. Okay. So again, so do the same for this reference to content template also. So both this template will generate instant literature review. So it will take several seconds. Yes, our literature review details is generated. So for the first you can see for the first reference. So here you can see main findings. The author proposed model called 𝐸𝐴𝐷S and encrypted traffic classifications in the IoT network. The model utilizes global local attention mechanisms or select relevant data for classification tasks, achieving improved performance in multimodal multitask scenarios. So and also it will give the limitations of the paper also. So here the paper focus on the technical aspects of proposed model without discussing the potential challenges in the real world deployment and or scalability issues. So and then you can see further research could explore the model's performance under varying network conditions with different types of encrypted traffic. So this is how the perfect literature review, instant literature review is generated for all the references. So give 5 references, then it will provide a perfect literature review. So next this reference to content is taking time, so it will also, I will do that again. So reference to content. So in the meantime, so what you can do is we'll check out other literature review templates, what can be done using that literature review templates. So just you will paste the references. and we will give whatever the style we want. So after that we will give on generate content. So we will see other templates also, detailed literature review. So just click on detailed literature review template. So in this detailed literature review template, just have references with you, that is download the references. So in this you can add the title of the paper, abstract of the paper, introduction part of the paper, conclusion of the paper. So if you add all these particulars, so it will generate a perfect literature review. So I will show you an example also. So here I am going to take an open access paper, so cyber security. So I am going to take a open access paper. So here you can see machine learning for cyber security threats and challenges. So this is a journal. So here you can see a paper here. Yeah, optimized gradient boost decision tree using enhanced African buffalo optimization method for cybersecurity intrusion detection. So just click on this. So this is the title. So copy the title and you can paste here, title of the paper. So after that you can copy and paste the abstract of the paper. So here this is the abstract of the paper, and then you can paste the introduction part of the paper. So introduction part. So this is the first introduction part of the paper. So paste the introduction part. So yes, this is the introduction part. After that, conclusion of the paper. So here in the end you can get the conclusion of the paper. So this is the conclusion of the paper. So paste the conclusion here, and then just click on literature review. So it will generate the content. It will take several seconds. So here you can see that you can get a detailed literature review, the summary of the paper, and then main findings of the paper and limitations associated with the particular paper. So this is how you can get a detailed literature review, especially those who are making review paper. This one will be very useful for you. So next, in the meantime, so we have used the template called reference to content template. So in the reference to content template, so it will generate it will also generate an instant literature review. So like that, whatever the type of literature review you want, so you can do this using different that is AI templates. So next one is chat with paper. So in this chat with paper, so what you can do is, in this chat with paper template, so here you can add whatever the content you want to chat with, and you can ask any questions you want. So thereby it will generate a better answers for you. So whenever you are having doubt in your reference paper, so you can use this template. So next one is chat with PDF. So you can upload your document. That document can be split into page wise. So just you can that is, you can chat with that particular page alone. So using this template. So these are the different literature review templates available in this AI tool. So there are 5 different literature review templates are offered here. So after completing the literature review, so yes, you have to copy and paste the literature review we have done. So actually we closed that one. So here this is the detailed literature review. So this one, first one will be the instant literature review. So like that you can do for how many number of references you want. So even especially those who are writing thesis, so this template will be very useful for you. So because it will reduce your thesis writing time. So after completing all this, you have to ask that is, you have to write about the proposed system. So for that you can use our chatbot itself. So this chatbot will be very useful for you to generate a better content and technical content. Only thing is that the prompt we are that is you are going to give in this particular chatbot is must be very important. So this is how you can use this chatbot to generate a better content. So after this you can generate conclusion also using the same chatbot, just by giving generate conclusion. So like that you can make use of this option. So this is all about this different types of templates available. So the important thing is that after completing your research paper writing, your paper may subjected to plagiarism. So in order to reduce plagiarism in your research paper, so you can use the templates called paraphrasing and plagiarism detection template. So you can use this both the templates to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So this is how you can use your template wisely for your research paper writing. Hope this video will be very helpful for you in writing research paper about cyber security. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.